How to block someone on Instagram feeds easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to block someone on Instagram feeds easy and quick. First open Instagram feeds and then go to any account, any profile you want, like this one. And then if you want to block someone, just click these 3 points in the top corner of his profile and then you will find the block. Now just click block and that's it. Now just go back and you can unblock it whenever you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.